I have a problem with my self-propelled mower. It won't self-propel anymore. I'm going to show you how to fix it today. The problem I'm having is the plastic cover on the back of the wheel cracked, and I'm getting all kind of grass and dirt bound up in there, and it's causing the gear to bind up. So this is what I need to change today, the drive wheel and this plastic cover. This is what broke on mine, the plastic cover for the back of the wheel, and it let dirt get in here and gummed up the gear. This isn't an official Toro wheel, but it was a lot cheaper. It's supposed to be a direct replacement. Let's find out. Surprisingly, this isn't metric. 1/2-inch socket should take this wheel right off. And this here is what's cracked. It's supposed to be round. Gonna need snap ring pliers to get this off. At least that's the easiest way to do it. You could do it with a screwdriver, but let me grab my snap ring pliers. Just take your snap ring pliers, stick them in the 2 little holes, and then you squeeze it and slide it off. Keep in mind, these snap rings, they have 2 purposes. One purpose is to hold this gear onto the shaft, and the other purpose is to go flying across wherever you're working and you're not able to find it again. So be careful when you're taking it off. Now this grass is gummed up in here, keeping me from getting this off. And you want to take something and clean all the dirt and everything out of this gear. This gear is probably never going to wear out because it's metal. Driving a plastic wheel, so the plastic wheel's designed to wear out first. But I'll put links to all the parts down below where you can pick these up. You want to make sure that the groove on the end of your shaft is cleaned out. It's not full of grass or dirt or anything. So you put your cover on, slide your gear on. Then you have to reach underneath and hold the shaft. And you need to put your snap ring on. Again, you could do this without snap ring pliers, but they make it a lot easier. And just make sure that that snap ring's into the groove. Otherwise, everything can come apart. And then you just line your hole up here where your wheel screws in. This cover, the new cover, has a washer on it. Just make sure, this is the washer off the old wheel. Just make sure you have a metal washer there to hold your cover in place. Okay, bolt. Put in your wheel and screw it back together. Click. Let's try it out, see if it works. If for some reason you decided to tip your mower on its side to make it easier to get at, that's probably okay as long as you're not leaking gas. But if you do, leave it sit for an hour for the oil to settle back down out of the combustion chamber.